This is a tooth powder that I made to help regrow your gums and also to naturally brighten and whiten your teeth. What I'd recommend you to do is shake it up, have your toothbrush, run it under some water, shake it off, get any extra water off, and then tap it gently into the powder. You really don't need much, just a tiny bit will do. And then start brushing. I would recommend using a very, very, very soft bristle toothbrush. And when you're brushing, just remember to pay attention to every single tooth. And you can use one of these tapered toothbrushes to get to the hard to reach places. And this is a tongue scraper. And just put it like that into your tongue and then pull forward. Be careful not to put it too deep in the back or you'll gag a little bit, but it's crazy like how much little yuck comes off of it. When you're flossing, be sure to floss each tooth with a new section of floss. Step 2, the alkaline rinse. I would recommend doing this for about 15 seconds. And remember, you can also do this after you drink anything acidic or you eat anything acidic. Step 3, oil pulling. This is probably my favorite step in the 3-step protocol, and I would recommend doing this for about 5 minutes if you can. The longer the better. And you want to be sure that this is the last thing that you do in your day. Do not eat anything or drink anything after this. So that's my 3-step protocol, guys. Let me know if you would like the protocol sent to you, the 3 steps. And then, of course, you can just do your brushing and order a tongue scraper and add that to the protocol. It's amazing for myself. It helped me regrow my gums in 6 months. I was going to have to get a gum graft, and I didn't have to. I regrew them. And this is the protocol that I personally use to regrow my gums and help to recalcify my teeth. If you'd like to try my 3-step protocol, reach out to me and I can get some sent your way.